Now let us talk about another very important, very basic theorem related to triangles. You can say that the moment you remember triangles, the moment you should remember this theorem as well. In the previous video, we saw that sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. In this video, we'll be seeing exterior angle property of triangle. What is exterior angle property of a triangle? So before coming to that property, let us first of all understand what do we mean by exterior angle. Say I have a triangle, right? Let us name the triangle ABC. What I'll do, I'll just extend this line BC a bit further, right? I extended this line BC to a bit further to some extent, right? Now there is an, you can see one angle formed now. Can you see an angle here? I have angle A, angle B and angle C, three angles, right? Not a problem. But there is one more angle formed the moment I extended BC. Yeah, I'm talking about this angle. The angle that is formed with the extended side to the adjacent side, right? The angle that is formed by the adjacent side with the adjacent with its adjacent side is known as exterior angle. I'll again repeat what I did. I extended the base BC. Now there is an angle formed with the extended base BC with its adjacent side, right? This angle is known as exterior angle of the triangle, right? Similarly, if suppose I extend this side like this, then I can see that there is an angle formed like this with its adjacent side. So this will be my exterior angle. Similarly, let me extend this side. So this angle will be my exterior angle with respect to base BC and this extended side AB. So what is the property now? So now we are clear what do we mean by exterior angle. Now let us see what is the property, important property associated with this. For that, let us draw a triangle here. So I have a triangle ABC. Let us take any one of the exterior angle by extending this side to a point. Say this point is M. So I have an exterior angle here. Let us name this angle as 1. Angle 1. This is my angle A, this is my angle B, and this is my angle C. Now, first important thing that I already know is that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to, you already know this? Yes, you are correct. It is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That all of you already know. Also, can I say that angle 1, that is the exterior angle, plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees? Why? Because they form a linear pair. Right, because they form a linear pair, so I can say that angle 1 plus angle C is also equal to 180 degrees. Now since angle A plus angle B plus angle C is also 180, angle 1 plus angle C is also 180 degree. So what I'll do, I'll equate both the equations. Right, I can, because this is also 180 degrees, this sum is also 180 degrees. So I will equate the left hand side of both the equations. So now let us see what we'll be getting here. So after this we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to angle 1 plus angle C, right? Obvious, equating this and this. Now since angle C is common on both the sides, so I will cancel out them. So finally what I get here, that is angle 1 is equal to angle A plus angle B. A very important result. That is, this exterior angle is nothing but equal to sum of the interior opposite angles, right? This is known as exterior angle property of a triangle, or you can say exterior angle theorem. That is, the exterior of angle of a triangle is sum of the internal opposite angles. This angle 1 will be equal to sum of angle A and angle B. Similarly, suppose I would have drawn the exterior angle here, then this angle would have been equal to angle B plus angle C. And similarly, if my exterior angle was this, then this angle would have been the sum of angle A plus angle C. This is the exterior angle property, and I hope the proof, the concept is pretty clear. So always try to understand this. Say for example, see I have a triangle here and it is given that this is equal to 130 degrees and this angle is equal to 50 degrees. So now the question is find this angle. So what I'll do, I know that 130 degree, let us name this as x, is equal to 50 degrees plus x degrees, right? So from this I can write x degrees is equal to 130 minus 50 degrees. That will be my answer, that is 80 degrees. X will be equal to 80 degrees. This is how we use it in different type of questions that we incur during solving the questions related to triangles.